Ever wondered how your daily choices shape India's economy? From the smartphone in your hand to groceries you buy, your decisions fuel a consumption revolution. Today, I want to share why the Axis Consumption Fund is a unique investment opportunity. India is transforming rapidly. It's now the fifth largest consumption market in the world. And with the country's per capita income crossing $2,000, we are witnessing a significant surge in consumption spending. But what's fueling this transformation? Let's take a closer look. India's consumption story is booming. With rising incomes, more people are spending on a better lifestyle. As the largest young population in the world, with a median age of 28, India is driving a shift towards diverse product preferences. By 2031, India will comprise 25% of the world's working population. This is leading to rapid urbanization as a large young workforce migrates to cities for better job opportunities and higher living standards. The burgeoning urban middle class is driving a consumption revolution, trading up to premium products and experiences. E-commerce and digital payments are enabling this spending spree, catering to evolving preferences, while easy access to credit is bolstering spending power. This consumption surge presents substantial investment opportunities. That's where the Axis Consumption Fund comes in. The fund strategically invests in sectors poised to benefit the most from these trends, including autos, FMCG, healthcare, retail, power, and e-commerce. The fund focuses on quality companies with strong growth potential and actively manages a diversified portfolio to balance risk and return. The Axis Consumption Fund offers you a chance to be part of India's dynamic growth story. So join us in harnessing the potential of one of the fastest growing economies.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.